Welcome to Tools Met. Today we're taking a close look at a CNC machine that's become a popular choice on Amazon for woodworkers, DIY creators, and small business owners. Right from the start, the solid metal frame stands out. It's designed to reduce vibration and improve cutting accuracy, which makes a big difference when working on detailed projects. Whether you're engraving wood, cutting acrylic, or working with soft metals, this machine delivers clean and consistent results. In terms of performance, this CNC machine offers smooth and reliable operation. The stepper motors provide precise movement, and the spindle delivers steady power throughout long working sessions. Adjustable speed control allows you to fine-tune the machine based on the material you're using, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple engravings to complex 3D carving projects. Ease of use is another strong point. The setup process is simple, and the machine supports popular software like GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn. Even beginners can start creating projects quickly without a steep learning curve. This makes it an excellent option for hobbyists as well as professionals looking for a compact and affordable CNC solution. Some of the key advantages include a sturdy build, impressive accuracy, beginner-friendly operation, and great value for the price. However, the working area may feel limited for larger projects.